Hello, Hamish here from mortgagesonline.co.nz. With the house prices, the median house prices, there's some movements happening. REINZ put some stats out, and really I thought it would be nice to dig a little bit deeper and see what's going on under the hood a little bit. You've probably already heard the news, it's probably all over the papers, that yes, Auckland is seeing an increase of 2% in the median house price. Now this seems pretty subdued in some sense, but I think this might be hiding some deeper truths, and I think that is that a lot of this activity is being driven by, I think, smaller end of the market. So townhouses, apartments are out there in greater number this time around, as we compared to other times we've moved off the bottom. And I think if we look at the price breakdown nationwide, you will see a little bit of that, because this is kind of your 750 plus August 2022, right, compared to August 2023, right? This is the kind of basically the proportion. So really the big increase August 2023 in terms of the number of houses moving is really in that 750 and less bracket, which would seem to suggest that it was, that you go out there and you're trying to buy a house with land, you might be seeing maybe greater price movement than what the 2% is suggesting. But that's my own personal thought anyway. If we look deeper into Auckland, right, what we will find is that Auckland City is seeing a lot of the action in terms of the price movement, along with Franklin City and North Shore. Bearing in mind that the actual sales counts, some of these places do have a smaller number of houses changing hands, so a couple of big sales or big development could skew some of these as well. So look, overall, what's ahead, I think, is the big question. With the election, with changes coming up, my own personal thinking is that the bottom, we have gone past the bottom, and I think what's ahead is that people are expecting a lot more interest from investors. I don't know about that. Interest rates are still high. There is going to be also next year debt to income ratios coming in around well before the time when people think interest rates might go back down. So there might not be that crazy boom time that we've seen off previous bottoms, but a lot of factors can change that, of course. I think what you might see is there could be a lot more interest in the future for obviously houses with a bit of land, with a subdivision potential, as that might be the only way forward for investors to go outside the debt to income ratios, right? And if you're looking at buying a townhouse or an apartment, I don't think you need to overly panic. That's my personal thought anyway. But thank you for watching. Hopefully that has been kind of insightful for you. Hamish from Mortgages Online.